What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my mother channel. It's your girl Samantha, what, and I'm back with another video. Hello. So Melanie's been wanting to cut her hair and dyeing her hair, and her dad's not home, so we're gonna do a little surprise. Hopefully he doesn't get mad. I just went to Sally's and got some stuff. So she's going into the 6th grade, and still here in our district, it's not middle school, it's still elementary, but we still wanted to, you know, give her a new look or whatever. So we're gonna cut her hair and we're gonna give her red streaks, and then in a couple weeks she's gonna go get her legs waxed, her mustache waxed, her armpits waxed, and her eyebrows waxed. She's gonna be a whole new lady. So let's go, let's see how this turns out. Hopefully it's not a mess. Okay, so for reference, I want you guys to see how long Melanie's hair is, and it's super thick. So look at how long it is, and we're gonna cut it pretty short, not like super short, but like pretty short. So I'm just gonna cut it into some sections, or put it into some sections here, so that we can get like a... How short do you want it, Melanie? Like right here? Like right there? Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit longer, that way when we do the other part, we can cut it from there too. So I'm gonna put it like right there for now. Bro, that's like 10 inches. Okay, I'm gonna put it down a little bit, just so that when we... All the hairdressers out there are not gonna get mad at me, because I really don't know what I'm doing. And her dad's probably gonna kick my butt. I just want to make sure that these are leveled out correctly. Okay, keep your head straight, because then if you move, it's gonna be uneven.
If you mess up, would you buy me V-Bucks?
I'm not gonna mess up.
But what if you do?
I'm not.
You sure about that?
Face the camera so they can see where we're at right now. Okay, don't move. Just put your head straight. Straight as can be. Her hair is super thick, you guys, so I'm just trying to make sure that these are like a little bit leveled up. Okay. I'm gonna cut this part. You obviously want to cut right above. Eek! Okay. Oh, I cut the hair tie. I think this one needs to be a little bit higher. Daddy's FaceTiming me. Okay, hold on, you guys. We'll be right back. Okay, that was super close. Her dad called, but... Okay, she says it's coming out crooked, but I don't think it is. I mean, we're gonna try our best, so...
Our? You mean your best? I'm your customer.
Okay, well... Customer.
And you're an awful barber.
Okay, hold on. Turn around. Okay, I don't think it looks super bad. Like, I mean, it's not that uneven. You can't really tell. It looks good. Alright, now we're gonna comb all the way. So I saw this girl, how she did it. So flip your head down. Like, put your hair like that. Yeah, there you go. She combed it all the way. Okay, so how the girl did it on the video, she basically combed this out real nice, and then she kind of cut just like, her hair already has layers in it, so I feel like that's why it looks a little bit choppy. But I'm just gonna cut like a little bit more, just so it kind of evens out. And hopefully her dad doesn't kill me for fucking up her hair. If I just positive mindset, put some positive vibes in the comments. Showing them, like, for the most part, I feel like it looks okay. Like, it doesn't look super uneven. She just be having a lot of layers in her hair. Okay, so the lady basically took 3 hair ties. And then she did this. She did this in 3 sections. Okay, so we have 4 little sections here, and then the lady just started, I'm gonna cut these little hairs off. The lady started cutting, like, she spread out the hair, and then she started Alright guys, so we're gonna do the fun part now. So I got this, it's in the color red. I usually, when I dye my hair red, I do the color magenta, but she really wants hers like super red, so I just ended up getting red. So I got 2 bottles, but I really only think we need 1, so I'm just gonna open 1 right now, and we're gonna do this, and hopefully it doesn't come out bad. So we got 30 developer. I'm just gonna kind of wing it. I know it's like 1-to-1 ratio, I think, or so. And then we got the little brush until it gets into like a whipping form, I guess. So, okay, so I don't want to grab like from the top because I feel like from the roots is gonna be a little awkward. So we're gonna go underneath here and just grab some random. I don't want to like make it uneven either, so we're just winging it, bro. We're winging it. Grab this. Okay guys, this is what she's looking like right now. Hopefully it comes out okay. We'll be back with the finished look when she's done washing her hair and styling it. So wait for the last results. We'll be back. Okay you guys, we finished and here's the finished look. Melanie, stand over there so I can show them. Okay, hopefully it doesn't look too uneven. I don't think you can really tell, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Turn around. Eee, she's ready for 6th grade. And then she's gonna get rid of that mustache.
Stop!
Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Did I do a good job or a bad job? 1 out of 10. What do you think I did? Like, what do you think I did? Because I think I did a pretty good job for not knowing how to cut hair or dye hair. So, anyways, are you happy with the results, Melanie?
Yeah! She's the best barber.
We're gonna get her dad's reaction when he gets home though. I have a surprise for you. So you have to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Alright. Okay, come in, come in, come in. Hold on, let me turn this stupid TV down. Okay. And open the closet. Okay, come out, come out.
Right here!
Really?
So what do you think?
Melanie? Who did that?
Mom.
Really?
Mommy did that.
Why?
So mom cut her hair.
Okay, chismoso.
Turn around.
Then did her hair. Looks cool, right?
Daddy.
What? Do you not like her with red hair?
You're moving out.
Crazy.
Come on the light. So what do you think? What do you think? What do you think of it?
Nah.
Did I do a good job?
Nope.
Yeah, you freaking did a good job. That was a good job. It's not like you can do any better.
Damn!
Yeah, no, you can't. That's
Damn. You like it, baby? 1 through 10.
0.
Ah!
There's no 0.
Looks good, huh, babe? I did a good job?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
We got him.